Should be quite a spectacle for Leon. Neymar. Well to emerge with it there, and he's going to have a go for goal. He's pushed away slightly awkwardly by the Korean goalkeeper. The changes in the game, particularly by PSG, but here's Mbappe trying to tee it up for Neymar. This is what they came to see. This time Mbappe for Lionel Messi to lay it off. Now Neymar. On the left wing here is Prenel Kimpembe. Bit of space now for Neymar. Dangerous to leave him with space. Had he got it right into the top corner, he made a mistake. Play at the Kawasaki Todoroki Stadium. That's threaded forward beautifully. Chances now at either end. Easy, and Kawasaki carved open there. Creating that chance has given Kawasaki Frontale some real confidence. That near initial clearance there by Kimpembe, and it's sat up nicely. In from Tono. Nudged down, might have gone anywhere, held by Donnarumma. Starting to paint some more convincing pictures here. This is Marcinho once again. Damião available. It's gone in behind him. But look at the threat here from Marcinho. Again, he got clear. It was Vitinha who got back to fill in the space. Now Hakimi. Great interplay to create the space for Kylian Mbappe. Terrific save. And again, you won't see too many. Brilliantly done with the left. Watch this again. Mbappe bearing down on goal. Didn't really see it from that angle, but that's fantastic goalkeeping from the Korean. He's got a flick onto that to take it around. Now Lionel Messi. Another sweet, sweet turn from him, and he keeps driving. Calmly away by Jezil. Here's Lionel Messi. Now Mbappe to try and pick out Messi. Cool as you like, but off the line. It was mighty close to being over the line, I tell you. But he just managed to stretch it away. The assistant was well placed. And again from Mbappe for Ash. Denied a few times, but Hakimi laid it back. Messi had a swing with his right, and it came off. Noborizato, where was the shot going? Oh, it's on target. Goalkeeper, having made two excellent saves, is unfortunate. There's really nothing he can do, and if his defender doesn't get involved. Closing in was Marcinho, but couldn't get there in time. Very well executed free kick, and it's a good save that through a block, and then just felt that left leg. Jezil in from Mbappe, looking for the flick was Marquinhos, and arriving late was Sergio Ramos. Just that lack of quality from an apologetic Noborizato, the captain in the absence of Shogo Taniguchi. Mbappe for Lionel Messi. Now here comes the break with Neymar and Mbappe, and Messi's there on the other side. Neymar waited and waited to find Messi. And Messi,
Weatherbug
Jérman B-team through on loan at La Havre and Dijon. He's looked good, but here come Kawasaki Frontale. Well, that was through from Seco. What a chance! What a chance! Can he pick out the top corner? He picks out the top of the wall. Just gave it away a little bit, getting used to these changes. As Marcinho has stayed out there maybe significantly. Seco hits it, Donnarumma makes a really good save. But he's furious at those in front of him to allow this run. What a difference Tatsuki Seco makes. Pretty sure Donnarumma did get a finger on this. Let's have a look. Yeah, just going inside the post, and he... the charge at the near post here. It was his touch. That's now two good opportunities to play their way out of trouble. Tends to work for them. There's Kalimwendo to... Juan Bernat always gets there. Messi in support for Juan Bernat to roll it in for Ibimbe to fire home. Kalimwendo got in front of him. And Paris Saint-Germain make it 2-0. Outstanding build-up play. Really sweet movement. See this, Ibimbe at the far post, Kalimwendo checked his run to the near. And then Bernat firing it in, and Kalimwendo turning it home, and Paris Saint-Germain lead by 2-0. Runner, but he's a really...
Weatherbug...
Fired in by Messi, glanced on, and Marquinhos' header not turned home. And hungry here for more goals. That was a miss hit though from Kalimwendo. Sarabia to try and thread it through. He does so superbly well.
Weatherbug.
Kalimwendo. Little look up from Icardi. Things might open up though. Sarabia for Icardi. Support from Ibimbe, and it's diverted onto the post. Would have been an own goal. Bernat then trying to tee things up. Renji Matsui yet to score for Kawasaki Frontale. What an opportunity this was, bursting through. I think this is going in the bottom corner. I think it's a really good attempt. Bernat under pressure gave it away. Rico with a good stop. Looking for that touch on at the near post. They were appealing for a hand there, but the header works out for them this time. Kawasaki Frontale have the goal hand, and it was a very valid one. Supremely guided header. Kazuya Yamamura met it wonderfully well. Without a goal this season, but a really memorable one for...